Start your mornings right with the perfect toaster or toaster oven. Whether you love crispy toast, warm bagels, or quick-baked snacks, we've got the best options for you. Today, we're counting down the top 8 toasters and toaster ovens on Amazon, from budget-friendly picks to feature-packed models. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more kitchen gadget. At number 1 we have Ninja Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer, 8-in-1 functionality. Takes up 50% less space when you flip it up and a way to store against your backsplash. Infrared heating and rapid circulating air combine for edge-to-edge even cooking. Air fry, roast, broil, bake, pizza, toast, bagel, dehydrate. Air fry and roast up to 4 pounds of ingredients, bake a 12 pizza, toast up to 6 slices of bread, fits 6 chicken breasts. Family-sized meals that feed up to 4 people in as little as 20 minutes. 80% more energy efficient than a traditional full-size oven. Up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. 6 infrared heating elements enable a temperature range of 85–450 F. Rapid hot air circulates all around your food at different speeds for 50% faster cooking and crisping versus a traditional oven. At number 2 we have BLACK+DECKER 4-slice toaster oven, 4 cooking functions. Bake. The compact toaster oven fits nicely on the countertop, while the curved interior makes room for 9 pizzas and 4 slices of bread. The stainless steel toaster oven's cooking functions include baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping food warm. The timer includes precise toast settings and stay-on functionality. Keep the toaster oven clean with the convenient removable crumb tray. You can find the perfect grilling temperature for all types of food using the adjustable temperature control. Plus, cleanup is easy thanks to the dishwasher-safe removable plates, featuring the advanced George Tough nonstick coating that's 3x more durable. This electric indoor grill is a must-have for couples or small families who want easy, delicious meals, fast. It comes with a baking pan and a broiler pan that fit perfectly into the small toaster oven interior. Plus, our exclusive Even Toast technology optimizes heat distribution for more perfect toast. At number 3 we have Cuisinart 4-slice toaster oven, brushed stainless. Smooth brushed stainless steel housing with polished chrome and black accents to improve any countertop in your kitchen. With 2 control panels, 2 6-setting browning dials, dual reheat, defrost and bagel buttons with LED indicators make toasting so easy. Extra lift carriage lever, slide-out crumb tray, convenient cord wrap with an instruction book. 1.5-inch wide toasting slots for all types and sizes of bagels, toast, waffles, pastries and more. The compact stainless Cuisinart 4-slice toaster brings retro classic design to your home and delivers performance with powerful features such as reheat, bagel and defrost functions. Cleanup is easy with the removable crumb tray. It even has a cord wrap underneath the unit to manage unsightly power cords while not in use. At number 4 we have BLACK+DECKER 4-slice toaster oven. Choose from convection bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. Easily fit a 9 inches pizza, 4 slices of bread, or a variety of other snacks and meals. The precise cooking timer features a stay-on function for longer baking tasks. The interior is designed to circulate hot air throughout the oven for fast, even results. The interior was designed using the principles of thermodynamics, circulating airflow efficiently to provide more even heating and fast results. Countertop cooking is simple using the 30-minute timer and 4 cooking functions: bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. Plus, the toaster oven is perfect for making your favorite frozen snacks, chicken nuggets, mozzarella sticks, egg rolls, or whatever else you're craving. Easily remove food crumbs before they burn in the bottom of the oven. The included broil rack and bake pan fit perfectly in the toaster oven. At number 5 we have Hamilton Beach Easy Reach 4-slice countertop toaster oven with roll-top door. Easily access food in the toaster oven, broiler and on your countertop with the Easy Reach roll-top door. Fits 4 slices of toast or a 9 inches pizza. This Hamilton Beach toaster oven has room for cooking everything from snacks to side dishes. This toaster oven gives you the versatility to bake, broil and toast. It has temperature options ranging from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, great for everyday tasks like heating leftovers, broiling chicken breasts and making toast. This toaster oven has manual controls that are simple to use. Great for anyone who wants a toaster oven that gets the job done without being complicated. Includes 30-minute timer with stay-on function, ready bell and auto shut-off. The door stays up and out of the way of messy spills and drips when opened. The roll-top door and slide-out crumb tray are both removable for cleaning. At number 6 we have Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Elevates practically any meal, from air frying quick after school snacks to roasting for large gatherings. Oven turns off automatically when the toast countdown timer ends, no burnt toast. Indicator light is red while toasting, blue when timer ends and oven turns off. Place rack at indicated toast position for ideal results. Provide a variety of cooking methods: ribs, defrost, bake, toast, chicken, pizza, pastry, slow cook, roast, reheat, and keep warm. Dual speed fan, golden fried crisping at its finest with 360 degrees superheated air circulation for your homemade cooking. This extra-large 26-quart capacity countertop toaster is suitable for preparing food for 4 to 6 people with capacity to rotisserie a 6-pound chicken, bake a 12 pizza. A stainless steel exterior provides a beautiful aesthetic to any kitchen, taking your party hosting to the next level. And elegant French doors open with a single pull. Interior light allows you to monitor food. At number 7 we have Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven, 12-in-1 Countertop Convection. Bravo Toaster Oven's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate. Control not only the time and temperature but also customize the top and bottom heaters. To bake a perfect pizza, set bottom heaters at full power and top heaters at 30% for crispy crunch crust and perfectly melted cheesy toppings. Once the desired doneness temperature is set, Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Oven constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food and automatically ends the cooking process when the desired internal temperature is reached. You will never undercook or overcook your food again. Bravo Air Fryer has 4 different rack positions and is programmed with includes 12 preset cooking functions for grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting and more. From the heat-resistant and shatterproof tempered glass door to the heavy-duty cooking racks, to the non-stick enamel baking pan with broiler rack, crumb tray, and air fry basket, everything that comes with the Nuwave Bravo XL Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo is made with quality in mind. At number 8 we have Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 Countertop Toaster Oven and Long Slot 2-Slice Toaster. Replace your standalone toaster and countertop oven with this one space-saving oven and toaster combo. It bakes, broils and toasts, giving you the versatility to effortlessly prepare breakfast, lunch or dinner. This toaster oven has 16.5 liters of space for cooking everything you love, including delicious one-pan meals with meat and vegetables. It has 2 rack positions and can hold a 9 inches pizza or 3/4 of a pound of fries. Make toast 40% faster and enjoy it brown just the way you like it. Choose from 5 toast shades for lighter or darker toast. The oven features include auto shutoff, a 60-minute timer with ready bell that helps you track cooking progress, and a stay-on setting that's perfect for baking multiple batches of food. Prepare a variety of foods in this one multifunctional appliance. It has 4 cooking modes: bake, broil, toast and keep warm. The oven comes with all the accessories you need to start cooking. You'll get a bake pan, oven rack and slide-out crumb tray.